Good day to sir, and today we are going to present about the group report. The company we are choosing is Petroleum National BERHAD. First and foremost, we would like to introduce ourselves here. Well, I'm THINESWARI GUNALAN.
I am FARAHIN binti ROSLEE.
Hi, I am NURUL FATIHAH binti ABDULLAH.
My name is NURUL binti KHAIRUL FAZLI.
My name is SHUHADA binti ZAKKI.
Hi, I am SYAHIRAH binti SARULNAZAM.
Okay, we are moving to our first slide, which is the company profile. Okay, the company we are choosing is Petroleum National BERHAD. The vision of the company to be a leading oil and gas multinational of choice. The mission of the company to develop and add value to petroleum resources wherever it operates, converting these resources into higher value products that will satisfy the need of customers and bring benefit to the people. The main activity of Petroleum National BERHAD is they are involved in the full spectrum of downstream activities toward their operation in refining, trading and marketing of crude oil and petroleum products, manufacturing and marketing of petrochemical products, gas processing and transportation, regasification, utilities marketing, power generation, as well as the provision of the technical and engineering solution to the whole Petronas group. The following slide, my group member will explain briefly.
Okay, first of all, I want to briefly about human resource planning and human resource recruitment. I started with human resource planning first. This is introduction based on human resource planning. Human resource planning is the continuous process of systematic planning ahead to achieve optimal use of an organization most valuable aspect quality employees. Human resource planning ensures the best fit between employees and job while avoiding manpower shortage and substance. Furthermore, human resource planning is a process that identifies current and future human resource needs for an organization to achieve its goals. Human resource planning should serve as a link between human resource management and the overall strategic plan of an organization. Next, human resource planning includes creating an employee plan, retention strategy, absence management strategy, flexibility strategy, and also recruitment and selection strategy. Next slide. This is introduction based on human resource recruitment. As you know, human resource recruitment is a process of identifying, attracting, interviewing, selecting, hiring, and onboarding employees. In other words, it involves everything from the identification of a staffing need to finding it. Furthermore, human resource recruitment is a process conducted by a company's human resource department in attempting to locate and encourage potential candidates to apply for existing or anticipated job opening. Human resource recruitment is the process of attracting suitable candidates to apply for a job vacancy. Okay, I hand over the next slide to ALIA.
Human resource selection is defined as the process of choosing individuals who have relevant qualifications to fill job vacancies in an organization will result in a job fit or a job placement. Selection is based on the organizational objective, the job specification, and the recruitment policy of the organization. The various selection process are initial screening, application forms, selection tests, group discussion, interview, and reference checks. Furthermore, to facilitate a new accurate prediction of an applicant's success on the job, the selection methods should meet several generic standards of reliability, validity, generalizability, utility, and legality. The application form is a formal record of an individual's application for employment. It is usually used in the preliminary screening of job applicants. The fill-in application forms provide pertinent information about the individual and are used in the job interview and for reference. and for reference checks to determine the applicant's suitability for employment. Selection tests, which are widely used, include intelligence tests, aptitude tests, achievement tests, situational tests, interest tests, and personality tests. Next slide.
Next is recruitment process based on company. The recruitment method used by Petronas is via internet. Petronas has their own official website and they use it normally to post the information and notice of job vacancies. The recruitment method has improved the efficiency of the recruitment process, easy to find the best applicant from the large pool of employees. Next is another external recruitment method used by Petronas is internship. Internship is an offer to the student to get a chance to work in desired field. Because Petronas is under the gas and oil industry, thus many candidates can apply to the chemical and technical work in the internship provided by Petronas.
Now, I want to talk about selection process based on company that we have choose. Firstly, selection method that used by Petronas is application form and curriculum vitae. The intention of using this method is to collect the applicant's personal information such as job applied for, contact number, name and address, relevant skills and some experience. The second method applied in Petronas is the selection test. The purpose of conducting a test on applicants is to measure their abilities and skills differences in order to select the right persons for their job. Selection tests are ability tests such as aptitude tests and personality tests such as interest tests. The third selection method in interviews. Firstly, an interview is a process of a verbal conversation between two people with the objective of collecting relevant information for the purpose to research.
In conclusion, in any kind of organization, planning, recruitment, and selection processes are considered useful because they help in finding the most suitable candidates for the jobs. Planning, recruitment, and selection are important operations in human resource management designed to make best use of employees' strengths to meet the strategic goals and objectives of the employees and the organization as a whole. A company recruitment and selection process are the best way to achieve success in the business world. Implementing more effective processes to recruit candidates and select the best and the brightest will improve one's ability to meet one's organization human resource needs. And next, human resource management is a very crucial function in an organization. And the last one, effective recruitment and selection processes reduce turnover and get much better result in the recruitment process if they advertise specific criteria that are relevant to the job, include all necessary skills and include a list of desired skills that are not necessary but would enhance the candidate's chance. If they fail to do this, it might end up with a low quality pool of candidates and wind up with the limited choices to fill the open position.
That's all from us. Thank you, sir.